Have you ever wondered how these tiny golden seeds are transformed into one of the most powerful and pungent oils in the world? Welcome to a deep dive into the industrial world of mustard oil production. Today, we're taking you inside a massive processing plant to witness the journey from farm-fresh seeds to the pure golden liquid known as yellow gold. It all begins right here. Every day, tons of high-quality mustard seeds arrive at this facility. These seeds are carefully selected based on their oil content and purity. You can see the scale of operation. Thousands of bags are unloaded, creating massive mountains of raw material. But before these seeds can be crushed, they must undergo a rigorous cleaning process. Any dust, small stones, or impurities could ruin the entire batch. In the next step, you'll see the heavy machinery that ensures only the cleanest seeds move forward. Now that the raw seeds have arrived, the real work begins. You might think these seeds look clean, but they are filled with fine dust, dry leaves, and tiny stones from the harvest. To produce high-quality oil, the seeds must be 100% pure. Watch as the seeds are fed into these massive vibrating sieves. This machinery uses a combination of powerful air blowers and multiple layers of mesh screens. The air blowers blast away the lighter dust and husks, while the vibrating screens separate the seeds by size, catching any heavy debris or stones. Notice the precision here. This isn't just about cleaning, it's about preparation. If even a small amount of grit remains, it can damage the expensive crushing rollers later in the process. The sound you hear is the rhythm of industrial efficiency. These machines can process hundreds of kilograms every hour, ensuring a steady flow of purified seeds. By the time they reach the end of this conveyor belt, they are polished, dust-free, and ready for the most important stage, the extraction. This is the heart of the factory, the extraction chamber. Now that the seeds are perfectly clean, they are moved into these heavy-duty industrial expellers. Watch closely as the seeds enter the crushing zone. Inside these machines, a massive rotating screw applies immense pressure. Unlike other methods that use high heat or chemicals, this traditional cold press technique keeps the temperature low. This is crucial because it preserves the natural enzymes, the sharp aroma, and the intense nutritional value of the mustard oil. As the pressure increases, the magic happens. Look at the sides of the machine. The first drops of pure golden oil begin to seep out. It's a slow, steady, and incredibly satisfying process to watch. While the liquid oil drains into the collection vats below, the solid remains of the seeds are compressed into what we call oil cake. Nothing goes to waste here. This protein-rich byproduct will later be used as high-quality organic cattle feed. The aroma in this room is incredible, strong, spicy, and 100% natural. This is the moment where raw nature meets industrial power. At this stage, the oil is fresh, but it's still raw and contains tiny particles of seed fiber. To get that iconic, crystal-clear golden glow, the oil must pass through a sophisticated filtration system. Watch as the raw oil is pumped into these large filter presses. Inside, it's forced through multiple layers of heavy-duty filter cloth and high-pressure chambers. This process doesn't use any harsh chemicals or bleaching agents. It's a purely mechanical separation. As the oil moves through each stage, you can see the transformation. It goes from a cloudy, dark liquid to a bright, transparent gold. This level of purity is what ensures a long shelf life and the perfect cooking experience. Every drop you see dripping into these stainless steel tanks has been double-checked for quality. It's now pure, filtered, and ready for the final stage of its journey. The result is an oil so clear you can see right through it, yet so strong it carries the full essence of the mustard fields. Before a single drop leaves the factory, it must pass the ultimate test. In the quality control lab, technicians check the oil for its pungency level, moisture content, and purity. Only the batches that meet the highest international standards are approved for the final stage, packaging. Now watch the incredible speed of the automated bottling line. Empty, sterilized bottles move with lightning speed along the conveyor belts. Each bottle is precision-filled by computer-controlled nozzles to ensure the exact volume every single time. Immediately after filling, the bottles are capped and sealed to lock in that fresh, sharp aroma. You can see the mechanical arms working in perfect harmony. Finally, the labels are applied and the bottles are laser marked with batch numbers and expiry dates. It's a fascinating mix of traditional extraction and modern technology. From a simple seed to a high-tech bottle, the transformation is now complete. These bottles are now ready to be packed into crates and shipped to kitchens across the globe. The journey is complete. These crates are now being stacked in the warehouse, ready to be shipped to distributors and eventually to your dining table. It's incredible to think that what started as a pile of tiny seeds has been transformed into this vital golden ingredient through such a meticulous process. The tradition of mustard oil is thousands of years old, and seeing it being produced at this industrial scale shows just how important it remains in the modern world. Clean, pure, and powerful. This is the essence of nature, captured in a bottle. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at how things are made, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to see more fascinating industrial processes and factory tours from around the world, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.